Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm not canning, but I am pickling. I'm making pickled eggs. You know, I thought with Easter Sunday and Resurrection Sunday, I thought that maybe you had some hard-boiled eggs around, and that maybe you would like a way to preserve them and not worry about them going bad. So I am making pickled eggs. My son loves them. And so I'm just making them. And I thought that we would make a video for you. So I'm going to finish peeling these eggs. I'll be back when I'm mixing up the brine. So my eggs are all peeled. On average, I find you get about 10 eggs per quart jar. Now I'm going to mix up my brine. We use 1 part water, 2 parts vinegar. Use whatever vinegar you like. I tend to use either white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Now, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of salt because I have 2 teaspoons or 2 cups of water, and it's a teaspoon per cup. 2 teaspoons of sugar because I use 1 teaspoon per cup of water. I'm going to put this on the stove and heat it just until my salt and my sugar dissolve. Alright, my salt and my sugar are dissolved. So now I'm going to put some seasonings in and then I'll put the brine on. So I am using 1 teaspoon of each. So I have some onion flakes here. I'm going to do a teaspoon per jar. I have some red pepper flakes, do a teaspoon per jar. You can use any kind of seasoning you want, or you don't have to use seasoning. It's completely up to you. Season them how you like. Some people put beet juice. This is dill, but some people put beet juice, or you can put onions in there. You can put peppers in it, whatever you like. This is pickled seasoning, or pickling spice, and this is mustard seeds. Just 1 teaspoon of each, and you can do literally anything you like for seasoning. Now, I'm going to add my brine and just fill it to the top. See if we can get all of our eggs kind of covered in there. Alright, I'm not using canning lids because I'm not processing these for canning. I haven't found a safe, approved method that would make these stable on my shelf for a year or whatever. So I don't can them. I just put a lid on. And these lids are from Ball, and you can find them in my Amazon storefront. They're a tool that I use, and they seal really tightly. I don't have things leaking in my refrigerator, or you can use canning lids. You do you. Anyways, this is gonna sit in my refrigerator, and it's gonna sit there probably for a couple of weeks so that everything gets all pickly. And they will stay stable and preserved in my refrigerator for 3 months, probably longer. I've never had the opportunity to test longer because I have people in my family who eat pickled eggs. I hope this helps you. I hope it blessed you. I was talking to somebody today about, well, what's a pickled egg like? Well, to me, a pickled egg is kind of like a deviled egg, but without the mayonnaise. So if you don't like mayonnaise and you like deviled eggs, you might like pickled eggs. Either way, give it a try. If you have a surplus of eggs and you're not sure what to do with them, this is a good option. It makes a quick snack. You can pack a couple for lunch if you want some extra protein. Some people really just like them cut up on toast. Do what you like. But this is a good option for you to be able to preserve eggs, have them stable in your refrigerator, and it's just a different take on things. Or maybe it'll make you like eggs if you're not a big fan of eggs. But anyways, I hope this blessed you. Hope it encouraged you. I hope you had the most wonderful Resurrection Sunday. We did. So blessed. But anyways, be so blessed. Know that you're loved. And be a blessing to someone else. We'll see you in the next video.